Alright guys, so what we got here today is a 2014 BMW S1000RR. We are gonna throw this Acra exhaust, full exhaust titanium on it. Got it used. Has a few dings and dents, like just two actually, very minor. As you can see, there's a little dent right here. I don't think it's gonna affect anything. This video should be like maybe a how-to, kind of just showing you guys how to get this done. Alright, so here's the bike. She's like basically stock, other than the slip-on that I put here. Been wanting to get something like this. Pretty clean bike, like 4,000 miles, not so bad. We got our buddy here with the other bike, and yeah, I'm gonna get some different angles, and we'll go from there, guys. Right?
Let's do it.
All right, let's get it. There we go. Yeah. So the first step, we're gonna take the fairings out. So I'm gonna try to keep this and that in one piece, so it's easier to come out, I guess. So that's what we're doing right now. I think this one has to come out. Let's go down here. Let's take that one out. A little bit of pain, yes, but it'll be worth it. It'll be very worth it. And all you guys, keep it all together. I know it's just a dog bowl, but wouldn't use it. Alright, so on here, you have one of these, the frame sliders. What you want to do, try to keep this in one piece, and the frame slider will sit in like that. So just lower the fairing and pull it out. And then what you're gonna have to do is unplug these guys right here. Alright, so this I'm pretty sure I just gotta pull it, but I guess I need another set of hands to do this. Just hold it here actually. Yeah, and I just pull. Come on, there you go. Boom, and just like that, this is out. Now we got AK. Now we got that exposed. Just gotta do that on the other side. And go from there. Alright, so we're doing the other side. Just wrenching out. And as soon as we get that out, I'll show you guys next step. Alright, so now I got the GoPro on. So on this side, same thing. Just go around, take this out, and gotta take the little connections out. Boom, just like that. This is free, and now you can see basically like everything over here. All right, let's keep going. Pro tip: spray the O2 sensors with some PB Blesser before you try to take them out. I don't know if y'all can see. Boom. So there's some spraying right there. Right there. Before you try to take them out, let it soak in for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe, and go from there. All right. Let's keep going.
You gotta make it look like it's really, really hard.
All right. So what you want to do here? The easiest way that I found, get a. Here you go. 17 right here. Right. Boom. Here's the size, and you go from under the tails. I mean the exhaust. So, just hang with me. See what I'm saying? Boom. And then twist right. Boom. Alright, so since I got this lip on, and it's not like a full system, what I'm doing, I'm gonna remove this section, remove it over here, and then we'll go in the headers. So, everything's loose. We're just gonna pull it out all at once. I need a hand. Alright, so it's been here for months now. So just wiggle it. Or I can actually hold on, I think I gotta take this first. It'll be easier. Because this is hitting right there. So in this case, what we do, we go, nope, we go in here. This is not the right tool for the right job, this,
What the hell?
but it works pretty damn well. Shit. I was saying, maybe the other side, because now it's loose, so. Ah. Well, can you hold it over there? Trust me, this works. You know, it works.
All the other bikes that it is.
Yeah, I've done
Still funny.
even this one, but
Don't shoot me.
shit, I'm actually pulling the bike.
Alright, I'll hold the bike.
Try the lower one first. Ah, see?
There we go.
One's out. Maybe we can do the other one. Yeah. Ooh. Woo! All right, kids. So I'm gonna do that off camera. 1 second. Bro, it took one try off camera. One try. It came out. You can't make that shit up. So take that. Boom. Out. Now can move on to that. Coming out?
Yep, it's coming.
There you go. Boom. And that is out. All right. Moving on to the headers now. And we'll be right back. All right, guys. So everything is out, or almost out. I took this out right here. So the O2, well, what I would do, what I did, so unscrew it when the headers are still in place, and then it plugs right here. So just unplug it, and then you pull this out. You know what I'm saying? So this was there, I unplugged it, and then you twist this so the wires won't be just twisting and won't let you pull it out. So there's only one more, I don't know if y'all can see, just one nut in the middle, and it's almost out already. So try to pull it out with my hand. Wait, hold on a second. All right, so this is it right here. Now you can actually bring the exhaust out. As you can see, the exhaust is already out. Oh, there's one O2 sensor over there. Oh, there's something here. I think I have to take this out right here, or you will, I don't know. There's a little wire that goes from, I hope y'all can see this. I might need to fucking unscrew it right here and like get it out of the way. Not really, yeah. And one here too. And one on top of the oil cooler. There's one, this, and then that one. They gotta come out because there's a little wire thingy. Not a wire, like a rod kind of thing is on the way. And you can't pull the headers out because it's hitting the thing. I don't think it comes out unless you take those out. So I'm gonna pull these out and they go right here. So I'm gonna pull them out and then I'll get the headers out. So next to oil filter, you see right there, that has to come out, all right? So this right here will come out. Then we can pull the headers out. Yep, there it is, guys. There it is. So yeah, you need to take this pain in the ass out, all right? All right, now that's what it looks like. Boom.
You just run it like that?
Yeah, we should just like start the bike right now.
Oh,
I'm like, yeah. Yeah, let's see what happens. No, we're not. Hell no. Alright, so moving on. Oh, we can do a nice comparison too. So this is the beautiful, not stock headers, and the Acras. Boom. Yeah, I'd say the new ones are better. Yeah. And it's way lighter. Holy shit. Yo, pick that up. Feel the difference. Stainless. Lighter?
Yeah, way lighter.
Oh wow.
Right?
Dang.
It's way lighter.
Nice and smooth, nice and light.
It's like at most half the weight.
Yeah, I don't remember how much they weight, the new ones, but I know it's a lot less. Like a lot less, like 3 times less or something.
Yeah, like That easily just picks up, and then that's like, you know, you actually have to use your strength to.
I'm telling you.
lift it.
Damn. Yeah, guys, if y'all can, just go for this type. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys. So something happened, right? So I got this installed. It's pretty easy. The thing is, I cannot ride the bike tonight. I kind of stopped making the videos because the O2 sensor from the stock headers will not fit the Akrapovic without a adapter. So I had to buy the adapter online. It's gonna be here in a couple of days, but I'll pick up the video then. For y'all, it's not gonna do any difference because it's gonna be the same video, so y'all not gonna even feel the difference. But I gotta wait a couple days, which kind of sucks, and I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. So right here, this bung right here is small. The one on the new headers, it's way larger. Like, it's freaking big, and I can't even let's see if y'all can see it. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the bike like this, no fairings, and then when I get the part, I'll do more videos and I'll upload the whole thing, and then I'll do a sound check, flybys, and yada yada yada. All right, so anyway, that's it for today. All right, guys, so this is day 2. I had to stop last night because the O2s were not matching the new headers, right? As you guys saw it on the video. So I ended up getting a adapter, right? I found it locally, super lucky. I guess you can see now, maybe. So I already put the headers on, right? I saved you the trouble of looking at that. All I gotta do right now is just put one spring that connects here to there, like that one right there. What else? I gotta do, there's a little carbon fiber cover thing that goes like right here. Put the muffler on, boom, and basically put the fairings back. All right, so let's keep going. Here, put the little springs that connects right here to right there, just like so, right? So let's see if I can put it down like that. And what you want to do is this. Boom. I use this little contraption right here, right? Used to do brakes, but it works just fine for this kind of stuff. So grab it like so. So I can see it. Bring it out like that. Boom. Just like that. Alright, so this is one of the last steps, right? Putting this little cover on here like that. Boom. I think it kind of stays right here like this. We'll find out. And put the muffler and the little scratches I showed you guys. No problem, because I think it works just fine. So this is the last piece of the puzzle, right? Just gotta connect it here. Sometimes it can be a little pain. There you go. Boom. And it's almost lining up right now. There you go. So what I'll do is this. Boom. Gotta do is that. Almost lining up. There you go. Boom. Boom. What we gotta do is just go here. Boom. This is done. And now the last piece of the puzzle. Let me see how this goes. Alright, last time. That's what it looks like on the bike. And let's put the fairings back and see what it looks like with the fairings, alright? So next time you see it, it's gonna be complete, done, and we'll do a sound check for y'all. Alright guys, that's it. Shit is all back in one piece. All the fairings are installed. That's what she looks like right now. All right, boom. Take that out of my head so you can see better. Boom. Now let's do a sound check. You know, that's what y'all want to see, right? So let's get that going. Show you guys some. It sounds good. Freaking loud, man. I'm telling you, this shit's loud as fuck. Anyway, that's it, and that's how you do it. Later, guys.